When you want to open multiple files at once in Photoshop, you can just select the files that you want. As long as they're in a floating window, you can drag and drop them into Photoshop with one drag. So let's say I want building, Mickey, and Porsche. So I'm holding my control key down so that I can only select the ones that I want. And now I'm not going to open them. I'm going to grab them and dump them into Photoshop. And you can see that there's a little 3 because I selected 3 files. And then the plus copy is basically telling you that it's going to open each of the documents in their own separate document tab in Photoshop. And there we have. Now you can organize these however you want. So I can rearrange my tabs if I want to. I can undock the tabs if I want to so that they're all floating. So it just depends on what you're trying to do. You can push them back up here to redock them. You can see that the floating window, when you push it up and get the big blue border on it around the whole thing, that's redocking the file. So you can push them back. So again, this method, now I can do a file close all. I haven't changed the document, so it's not prompting me to save. So let's do another one here. So if I want all of these, I can shift click the first and the last. Now this thumbs file is not really a JPEG file here. So if I want all of these, I could do a shift click from the first to the last. So this is a shift click, and that selects everything in between. So these are all the selections, and then I can drag and drop them. That's 6 files at once opened in Photoshop. And again, I haven't altered the file, so I can quickly, and I could close each one at a time by clicking the little X on the document tab. It's not going to prompt me to save because I have not edited the file. If I don't want to click the X for every single document tab, again, the trick is File, Close All.